Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine tutorial series. So today what I'm going to cover is this. So first I'm going to solve some problems associated with my enemy's vision or AI perception sight, and then I'm going to solve when the player character is already detected by an enemy, I should not be able to hide in a bush until I break the line of sight of the enemy. So here is the demonstration. So now I can hide, but let's get the attention and let's get detected. Now I'm detected and I can't hide anymore. So let's run and break the line of sight and hide. Now I can hide and the enemy can't see me. Okay, that's what I'm going to cover today. So at the moment, this is the problem I'm having. See, even if I am well behind this character, he kind of starts to see me before he rotates to this side. So this happens when he tries to look at this side, and when he tries to look at this side, I do this. Let me open my character AI behavior tree. Here, so once my character is in the detecting state, well, for this I need to open the patrolling enemy as well. Sorry, this one, AI human PT. So I call this start detection once my character starts seeing me. So here also I set the detecting state. Where do I set it? Here inside this set detection state node. So what I should be doing is this. I should let's try giving some delay of maybe 1 second, and let's see if that problem is gone. So that character will have some time to completely rotate to this side before start seeing us. Yeah. Let's try again. Something is wrong. Once it start detecting, the detection bar is full. Why is that? Maybe, yeah. In the detection widget, I should change the default value. It's here. Detection meter, widget detection meter, and here I should set this fill amount to 0 by default. Now let's see if that problem is gone. Yeah. Okay, so right, that problem is gone. And the next thing I need to do is, when I am detected, I should not be able to hide. So that hiding material change should not take place if I am detected by any other enemy. So how can I determine that? Well, so for that, before I enter in a bush, I need to check whether I can hide. Am I detected by another character? So where is hiding in bush? Toggle hidden. Yeah, toggle hidden is implemented in the player. Right, so before I set this hidden state to true, I have to make sure that I can hide. So to determine that, I'm gonna do something like this. When this character has detected me, I'm going to report that to the game state. Right, so let's open game state, G state code like me, and here I'll add another event graph. I'll call this one enemy control. So this is where all the controlling of the enemies happens. Okay, so yeah, here let me check. Yeah, I'll create a new interface like this for enemy control. PPI enemy control, and I'll name the first method register alerted, no, notify alerted enemy. Notify alert state, that's better. And there should be two inputs. First one is alerted, that actually that means whether this enemy has seen or detected the player, that's what it means. So should I call notify detection state? Right, detected should be a boolean, and an actor NPC or AI actor compile, and I'll implement that interface here in the game state code like me, and I'll implement that code, that function by alert notify detection state. Oh, AI actor should be in the type of actor. No, it should be AI controller. Okay, now I'll do a branch like this, and here I need a list in this type. They are not really alerted, they are actually in fight. Naming is really hard. So, and I will turn this into a array. So yeah, if the detection state is true, I'll get this one and add unique. So I think this add unique means only one instance of the same object will be in this array. So I'm going to add a reference of that AI controller into this in-fight enemies, and if this is false, I'm gonna remove item. So remove this given particular AI controller. Okay, and the next function I am going to implement in the enemy control is get detected state. So basically this will say whether can I hide or not in a bush, because if one enemy has already seen me and he's I haven't broken his line of sight, then I should not be able to hide in that bush. So that's what that function is for. Get detect, and this one needs a output the type of boolean detected, and it should be here. So I am detected, that means the length of this array is larger than 0. If this is not larger than 0, that means I am not detected. Now I need to call this function from the from here. So this is where I set I have been detected and equip weapon. So using the game state, notify detection state, and the detected is true, AI controller is self. I need to do the same thing here. Notify detection state, detected is false and AI controller is the self, and this is the game state. Compile. Okay, and the next thing I have to do is this. In the toggle hidden event, I have to check whether can I hide or not. So to do that, get game state and get detection state, and I should be able to hide only if I am in not detected state. That means detected must be false, like this. Okay, let's give it a try now. Okay, I can hide. Now let's go here and wait till I am detected. And let's go again. So I can't hide now. See? I can't hide. Alright, so that's what I wanted to do. So now let's try to hide from this character so he to break the line of sight. And can I hide now? Still not. Okay, I had to work on that part. Let's add some bushes here. Alright. I'm detected. And yeah, as you can see, added this code here, but I was not gone from the detection state. Right, this is the problem. It's not enough to call this detection state as false here. I also have to consider this when here, I guess. Yeah, I don't need this one here. I need this one, this part here. With detected false. Right, now when I break the line of sight of the enemy, it should show that removed in the top left corner. Let's check. Let's okay, I am detected, and let's run away and hide again. Yeah, now I can hide because I have broken the line of sight of the enemy. And yeah, I'm gonna stop here for today. Yeah, and one more thing. Here, it's in the in here. So when my character, when the enemy has detected me, I set this detection state to 2, and also I have to do this, set it to detection state to 0 here as well. Otherwise, even though that character can't see me, he will keep following my location according to this behavior tree, because it is based on this detection state variable. Okay, let's try again. Let's get his attention with the whistle. Okay, now he has seen me and he's coming to me, and now I have broken the line of sight. So yeah, now he's not coming to me. And yeah, the next thing I'm going to try is uh, making that character search the last known or the last seen location before he goes back to his normal routine. When I evade or break the line of sight of the enemy. Okay, and if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. And also, I have edited my tiers like this. Actually, the first three tiers, open world fan, fellow developers, and open world developers, are same as before. 20 and as before, the benefits are all the same. And I have changed. I have added a new tier called a tutor. So here you can request one tailor-made tutorial for you. So there you can like send your asset or send your model and ask me to do something with that, so to address some of your specific requirement. And the masterclass is, you can request four sessions of those same tailor-made tutorials per month. So yeah, and also when you purchase these tiers, this one and this one, and so anything more than $20, you will have access to my source codes of the project. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.